Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Gemini on your Android phone. Now, the first option you have on your Android phone is to look for the Google app. So if you don't see that, you can just swipe up. It's sometimes in the Google folder there. So let's tap on the Google app here. And at the top right, if you're signed in, you'll see your profile. Just tap on the profile icon. Now let's enable Gemini on your phone just by tapping on settings here midway down. And then you can see there is Gemini. I'll show you how to enable it and use it. So tap on it. And if you haven't already set it up, at the very bottom, you can see Use Gemini. So just tap on that. And once you've done that, it will enable Gemini. But I'll show you how to enable it and actually use it. The first thing that you might want to do is toggle on Talk to Gemini hands-free. And if you tap on that, it says, Hey Google. Essentially, you can turn this on and then just say, Hey Google. Once you go through this process of turning it on, let's hit more, I agree, and then while using the app. And then go through the process of prompting this, say, Hey, okay Google, help me write a thank you note. Okay, Google, help me write a thank you note. Okay, Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Etc., etc. So just go through this process. I'm not going to go through all of that with you, but just turn that on and walk through prompting it, basically saying what it asks you. If you don't see this or this doesn't work for you, you can also just hop out of here. And instead of that, you can go to the Google Play Store and you can download a separate Gemini app. So on here, we can search specifically for Gemini, and there's a Google Gemini app. You can see over 1 billion downloads. After you've installed it, you can just open it up, and same as before, you can start asking Gemini stuff. You can use the microphone, etc. However, you might also want to set the side button to initiate Google Gemini. To be able to do that, you can just swipe up and tap on your Settings app. And then from here, just scroll down until you find the option that says Advanced Features. Once you're in here, all you need to do is go to Side button here and then long press. All you need to do is switch long press to Digital Assistant, aka Google, and then you can tap on the gear icon if you wanted to make sure that it's set to Google Gemini. When you long press that button on the side, it will initiate it and you can have a back and forth dialogue. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.